Now, since we're on a roll here talking about the adjustments panel, I say let's keep on going. So I'm going to go to File and Open here in Chapter 8, Folder 5. And we only have two quick files to work on here. I'm going to open up the first one. And this is a photograph of the fallen statue of David over on the campus at Cal State Fullerton. The problem here that I have with this photo is the reflective surface of the marble on this statue of David. There's so much green on the lawn that it reflects into all the surfaces of the marble statue. So the statue looks kind of green. I want it to be a true black and white or gray marble statue and let the lawn be green. Just the lawn, not the statue itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is Command J, duplicate that layer, go to my adjustments panel, and right down here, again, second row, all the way to the left, is your hue and saturation. Okay, I keep activating that one because that is the only one with the target adjustment tool right there, that hand pointer. If I don't want green in the statue, I'm going to highlight the green right here, or target the green. Click and drag to the left. And even with that, I can still see a lot of green left over in this statue. So I'll go over in this shadow in the nose, drag to the left, and I'll take out all that green. Okay, obviously we got a problem here because that also killed the lawn. It pretty much turned this photo into a black and white photo. So just always remember, when you are editing on an adjustment layer, sometimes, like in this case, it works so well, you get a layer mask with it automatically. So I'm going to hit D for default colors, X to switch to black, and I'm going to hold Control and Option, maybe make my brush a little bit harder by dragging down, right about there. Maybe a hardness of about 70%. And we'll make it a little smaller. So if I paint with black, I'm going to block out the adjustment layer from pulling out color on the lawn. I'm going to just skim the edge of my statue right here. Okay, if I have smaller spaces, I'll just go in with a smaller brush right in there and just kind of sneak around the outside edges of this statue. I don't need to be exactly perfect. Nobody's going to zoom in that close and really check the results. But you can see the possibilities here by blocking out the adjustment layer from not pulling out color in the lawn. And notice how clean the marble statue is now. It's not that ugly tinted green. It's a nice, solid looking white marble statue. Got all the other colors back in the lawn down here. And that looks great. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Got a nice white marble statue without the adjustment layer. We've got that green. You can really see the difference when I turn that on and off. And I think that just makes a marble statue stand out a little more in this scene. Okay? So that's another method of using an adjustment layer and the layer mask that comes with it for a simple cleanup on a photo like this.